Okay, so here is my program, as you can see. It's my program to count days in between. And so if I go here, I run it, you can see we'll have a start date. Let's put that down real quick so you can look at it. Date is 1752 05 end year 2005 12th, say, calculate, and validate. So there's an error if you have anything like that, but change it, boom, it calculates. A year that is not an integer, let's say 3, boom. A month that is less than 1, let's say 2000, 0, invalidate. A day that is less than 1, a date that is greater than the number of days for the month, 40. End date before start date. Okay, let's do 1999, validate. Start date and date are the same. Oh wait, we should have done that just to make sure. There we go. Yeah. 2000. Do 1. Start date, same thing, 0. In the same month. Boom, it works. Same year. Boom, it works. Start date, Christmas, 12, 25, and then year, 2001, and then 01, and then, say, the 5th. I don't know. There you go. Yeah, it goes through, it works. Then my birthday, and today's date would be 24, 06, and then 29, 32, 3. There we go. That's how long I'm gonna live. Cool. Well, thank you.